here, the Sesa coin laundry. You want to do the laundry here, they have the big machine and saw machine. So 1 hour wash usually. You can pick the minutes, you get the coins right here. That's the price. And then you can scan the code. So all these are the small machines. So you can use, they have, you can wash only, or you can wash and dry. And then you can add minutes for the dry. They have the only one available right now, so it looks like you can pick the 54 minutes, or you will the 45 minutes, or you 60 minutes. So let's try this thing. So before you wash, you can do the okay, so you open and then you close. You just do a sanitizing for 2 minutes. They sanitize. They sanitize for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, you can put in the close. Put off the timer. 1 more minute for the pre-wash. So that's done. We put the clothes in there. I have a small load because I'm gonna stay for a few days. A quick wash. You can put up to 10-20 kilos, so depends on the machine and how many minutes. It's a laundry detergent, everything's in there, so, and it's wash and dry together, so we just close that. Okay, so we just put the we pick this one, small load. So nice shoe. Every shoe is $10,000. So this is $90,000.
Máy bắt đầu vận hành.
Okay, so it's automatic.
Tự động khóa. Nội dung thường xuyên vào có thể tự động đóng vào.
45 minutes. It's starting. It's wash and then it dry together, so you don't have to do anything. Just come back. So this is Bến Thành over there, Bến Thành market over there. And all kind of shops, food, everything. And they have coffee shop, everything. And to the left over there is the Phạm Ngũ Lão. So that's the 115A Lê Thị Riêng. They have about 3 right now. Before they have only 1, so now they start opening up. So open 8 AM to 9 PM.